Good evening, online. Online, good evening. Fantastic. So, I hope everyone are doing good. And thank you for taking time and joining this wonderful session. And good to see you all here, offline and online. Online, before we start, can you please confirm, can you see my screen and can you hear me well, please? Super good. And also, one more request. In your chat, please change your host and panelist to everyone so that everyone can see your messages. Fantastic. Good. All right. So, a warm welcome for each and everyone who took time in joining this class, and really happy to see all of you here. And quite lot number of people, and I'm really happy that most of your people are very interested for this course, DevOps with multi-cloud. So myself and Naresh IT welcomes you to this wonderful sessions. Okay. So before I start, you can see that the logo that says DevOps and multi-cloud. So I call this as in shortcut as DNM. DNM meaning DevOps and multi-cloud. Okay. Okay, so before we start it, the best way to start this course is with the introduction, right? So most of the people, maybe many of the people doesn't know me, and a few people might know me. Let me ask offline or online. So how many of you know my name, at least heard my name? Reyaz sir. Good. How about you online? AWS doctor. Okay. I think few people know me already. So there are so many people who don't know me. So yeah, heard a lot about you. Okay, I know. Nice. Okay. Yeah, thank you. ChatGPT even knows you, sir. Okay, thank you. This is the first time, but I have heard a lot actually. Nice, Mallikarjun. Ahmad, Anup. Okay, so thank you very much. Those who know me already, so good to see you all here. But those who don't know about me, so uh, let me introduce by myself a little bit so that you know. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, Archana. Thank you, ma. Okay, let's move on. So the class is DevOps with multi-cloud. We'll talk a lot about this. So before we start and going deep into the concepts today, so let me introduce by myself. Most of the people know me, as I said, so I'm not new to the industry. So maybe you might be new to me or I might be new to you. So let us start with the introduction. So before I start the introduction, I'm doing a flower showers on you. Welcome to my dear students, all of you. So before I start, I wanted to uh, start with the very positive note that everyone have this mindset, or everyone have a little bit of fear in your minds and heart. But I'm telling you, you are already superb. I'm talking to each and every one over here, offline and online. Yes, it's for you. You are superb already. You are enthusiastic. You are a great learner. That is the reason why you are here. You have completed all your graduations, and there are so many experienced people are also there. So you are already a great learner. You are a genius. That's the reason why you completed a lot of things and you are here. I am just helping you to shine better. I'm just helping you to shine better. Guys, because many people have this in their minds that, sir, I don't know anything. I'm very new. I don't know anything about this. I don't know that, this and this. Guys, I'm telling you. So everyone is unique and everyone is special and everyone have a talent. So let's all put together and shine much better to get the jobs as soon as possible with this wonderful technology called DevOps with multi-cloud. So before I move further, let me inspire you, motivate you with this line. Your potential isn't it just a spark? It's a wildfire waiting for the right wind. I'm here to help fan that flames. It's very hard to understand, but what I meant to say is you are already fired up. So you need to have a right wind to go to the right direction. So I'm just helping you like a fan to reach to your right direction. So with this positive things, let's move forward. And before that, I wish you all the very best for your future. And I pray God that everyone should get the job soon and then learn this DevOps with multi-cloud very nicely and easily with me. Okay. So let me introduce by myself here. Speaker name. My name is Reyaz Sheikh. People call me Reyaz sir, and also many people call me as DevOps doctor, AWS doctor, Doctor DNA, DevOps and AWS. A lot of words because so many of my previous students they kept these sweet names for me because most of the previous students are now doing the jobs. They got placed and they are doing wonderful things. So let me quickly introduce myself. So I'm a principal architect and cloud expert having 18 years of experience. The picture that you are seeing is myself there. I was just giving some presentation and I took one clip out of it and put it over there. Okay, so having 18 years of experience leading this digital transformation. So I'm expert in AWS centric DevOps and multi-cloud infrastructure design specialist. So these are my profile that I work. So I'm a real-time guy. I'm already working. So in proficient in training and designing effective solutions with cloud architect, deployment, transitions, a lot of things. I've delivered a lot of projects, very seamless delivery of all these services. Apart from this, I have my own company. I'm a director and CTO, Chief Technology Officer for my startup company. It's a startup and we are doing a a project which is a US based project, it's a military based project. We have less number of people at the moment, so it's a side thing that I'm doing it. And apart from that, I'm already working for a company called Everest, a situation in Hyderabad. Before I started my career, do you see on the right side? I mentioned clearly that companies worked was Infosys. I started my career with Infosys as a fresher way back in 2006 or 7. Later, I moved to a company called Apple that you know very well, and also a company called Napa. In my this huge years of experience, I'm not very fond of changing in multiple companies. So I worked only for 3 or 4 companies because where the technology that I was working, I liked it very much. That's the reason why I continue a lot on these. And also I was in Europe for many years and then returned back to Hyderabad. And It is not 1-2 batches that I have completed till now. So more than 100 plus batches I have completed and trained more than 10,000 plus students till now. So all these students are on AWS, DevOps, and DevOps with AWS and multi-cloud. So that is my email ID. If you want to talk to me or if you want to send an email, so trainerreyaz@gmail.com is my email ID. So if you are interested, you can just drop me a email and we can discuss if you have any questions. And also, my principle, can you read that? What is that, my principle? Say, read it. Louder. What is that KI is? Kiss. What is that? Kiss. So kiss meaning not the one that you're expecting. So kiss meaning here, keep it simple. What is that, ma? Keep it simple. What is the meaning of keep it simple? So I know that here lot of technologies, lot of technical things that we're going to discuss, but I promise you that I'll be teaching you in the very easiest language that we talk regularly with your friends, like how we talk regularly with your friends. So, and whatever the technology, whatever the technical thing that we have, so we'll be learning in the very simplest format. Keep it simple. Okay. And also I'm AWS certified. So if you know about AWS certifications, don't worry. Today we'll talk about AWS certifications. I'm AWS Solution Architect certified, Developer certified, SysOps certified, and also Professional Level Solution Architect certified. So that is the quick intro about mine. If you need to know, if you want to know more about me, you can just ask, you can just search in the Google that Reyaz sir reviews or ask ChatGPT about me. Even ChatGPT also recognize me, right? So just a quick thing. So just go to Google randomly and type here Reyaz sir. Whenever I type Reyaz sir, do you see that? And reviews. So just quick, do you see this here? A Google AI also telling about me. So do you see primarily associated with AWS and DevOps are overwhelmingly what? Positive. So praising his expert knowledge, clear teaching style, and ability to make complex topics easy to understand to real world examples and hands-on labs. So if you want to know more about me, so you can just go and search it. And also there is a separate Facebook. There's a group that I have that you have lot of feedbacks over there. So when you have time, you just go ahead and then read it. So why I'm giving all these things is just to know that you are with a right trainer with right number of years of experience. And my previous students, so many students got placed, right? An example, this is a guy who placed in TCS. Now, nowadays, everyone, every 2 or 3 days, freshers experience will be placed and they will be contacting me. And then I'm just asking to write some things over there. Okay. So that is a quick thing about me, Nana. That's a quick introduction about me. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So before I move forward, I hope that you like my introduction and I hope you understand my strengths and technology expertise here. And I have this habit. Yeah, I have this habit calling you that Nana and Chitty. It is just a normal word. When I say Chitty or Nana, that means nothing but dear. Okay. And when I ask about clear, when I say clear, so please put in the chat as CC. CC meaning cluster clear. CC meaning what? Cluster clear. Online people, when I ask you, is it clear? Then please respond me with CC. Just put shortcut CC so that I'll understand that you understood very well. Okay, so am I okay for you? Louder. Online, what about you? Perfect. Perfect. Excellent, Nana. All right. So thank you for spending time with me on my introduction. So I promise that I'll not be repeating every day all these introductions, right? So if you need to know more about me, please search in the Google. Okay, let's move on, Nana. Here, what we have is expectations. Yes, Prashant, we'll talk about that. Expectations is a powerful word in your personal life also, in a professional life also. Yes or no? Yes or no? So wherever you go, that expectations is important, right? So I just wanted to know from you, all of you, offline and online, everyone, you have some expectations and you came here, right? So, and we both need to be in the same expectations or not? So I just wanted to know from you, what are your expectations from this course? So that I'll also understand my expectations, your expectations should match, right? So go ahead. And also, I'm very informal. So we can just discuss. I don't like to be very, very, very serious, like, one-way traffic. So just let's have a nice discussion and let's have some fun while learning it. Okay. So just go ahead and tell me, what are your expectations from this course? Good. Anything that you have in your mind, just tell me. Hmm. Good. Okay. Learning skills, learning DevOps, gaining knowledge and earning money. Okay. DevOps engineer with 4+ years of experience. Nice. Skill development. Very good. What's that? Work from? Okay. Work from. Learning and becoming expert. Excellent. Abhishek, after training, I will be able to work independently with 5 to 6 years of experience. Good. After this course, would expect to deploy cloud infra in any cloud through DevOps pipeline. Very good. Big package. Nice. Guys, all your general questions I'll take at the end of the class, but let's have some fun with the class. Let's continue it. And all your regular general questions I'll take at the end of the class. Okay. Career excellence. Nice. Excellent, Nana. Okay. So the summary of what you guys are putting the expectations is like this. Everyone need to become. Yeah, someone is saying zero to hero. Shubham, just want to be your student. Nice. Okay. So here, guys, okay, let me put my expectations about this course and you tell me whether it is matching or not. Okay. Number one, first of all, you should be excellent in fundamentals or not. Agree? You should be excellent in what here? Fundamentals. Guys, without having basics knowledge, without having proper fundamentals, can you learn any course or any technology? Definitely no. So the good thing about this course is I have designed this course such a way that even a non-IT guy can also easily understand and he can complete the projects also and he can get the jobs. The main focus is here, I'll put on the non-IT. Okay, let me ask you one question. How many of you are here non-IT students? Okay. How about you? Online? Hmm. Okay, so there are plenty of non-IT students, right? All these non-IT. So my aim is, my aim is, if I make my non-IT students understand, the rest of the IT students can easily understand or not. Do you all agree with this? Yes or no? So we can use, so the rest of the IT people can easily understand. So my focus is to make a non-IT understand. Until everyone says CC on every topic, I will not go forward. That is my style of teaching it. So until every student in the class, right? Every student in the class should say, yes, sir, we are clear. Then only we'll go to the next topic. Until then, we'll just try to repeat it. But I don't give that option to you because in one shot, I'll make you clear everything. Hi. Hi, Satish. Yeah. And also, basics are super important. No, I'll take a very normal example, Chiti. See here. If you want to build a nice building, what is very important? Foundation is very important or not? Foundation should be stronger or weaker? Foundation should be very strong. So if your foundation is very strong, you can have n number of, number of floors or not. If the foundation is not strong, and if you keep on building the number of floors, any point of time that building will collapse or not. Similarly, so guys, in my 18 years of experience, I took so many interviews. I took freshers interviews. I take experience interviews, right? When I ask any simple, normal, basic question, example, what is a server? I always ask this question. What is a server? Tell me. Anyone? Experienced freshers, anyone? Simple question. What is a server? Service provider. Okay. Server is a machine. Okay. To store the data. Mohanty, very good. Go ahead, guys, online. Whatever that you get in your mind, put it. I'm there, I'm there here to correct it. So data server is a computer that provides response to the client. Very good. Excellent. Some people say, when I ask this in interview, what is a server? You know the weird answers that I get. Assume that an fresher came or whoever it is, he came to the interview and I asked the question like, what is a server? You know how he respond is, sir, server is a server. Server is a server. Server, sir, dabba, box. Somewhere will be there, we'll connect it. That, sir, every day we connect, we do the work. You also connect, no, sir? That only, sir, server. This is a way that to answer it. Guys, I like seeing. Guys, you can put emojis, no problem. I like it. Right? Put smiley symbols. Don't stop. Is that the way that you say? Definitely no. That is not the right way of defining what is a server. No, without knowing what is a server, can we move forward and learn these great technologies? No. So what is client? What is server? In this course, I will be teaching you everything from scratch. Everything from scratch. You should be very good in fundamentals, first of all. If you are good in fundamentals, not only AWS, not only DevOps, not only multi-cloud, not only anything in IT industry, any technology that you take, you can easily learn. Without a proper fundamentals and basics, you cannot move forward. So because in my experience, I know that people are lagging on basics. So I'll be helping you to clear the basics first, whatever is required for our course. So you will be excellent in fundamentals. Next, today, there are how many types of operating systems that you know? Tell me two operating systems, mainly. That is flavors. Okay. Windows and then Linux. Say that. Windows and Linux. We have only two, right? Majorly. The one that you said is in Linux flavors. Right? So here mainly we have Windows and then what, Nana? Linux. Since our childhood, we are using which operating system? Windows. Everyone knows how to use Windows or not? This DevOps need most of the tools that we use which operating system? Linux operating system. Which one? Linux. For that reason, you should be good in Linux or not? So we will be learning the Linux commands and we'll be learning all the DevOps tools. What are those tools? We will see. I'll show you all these things today. And then we'll be learning what are the three major cloud providers that you know. What are the three major cloud providers that you know? Okay, what is the course name? What is the course name? What is this course name? DevOps with multi-cloud. So whenever we say multi-cloud meaning here, how many clouds we are learning here? Majorly 3 clouds. What are those? Number 1 is AWS. Number 2 is Azure. Number 3 is GCP. Okay. So we'll be learning AWS, Azure, GCP, all these core services inside it. And then we'll be learning DevOps with AWS. It is very hard for you to understand what is DevOps with AWS and everything. Don't worry. So this just we are learning all these things, and we'll be learning DevSecOps, and we'll be doing so many projects, end-to-end projects. It's more than 15, 20 projects we will be doing it, right? Including from right to end. Lot of projects we do it, and every day I'll be conducting you the interview questions, and the interview preparation will be there. And troubleshooting is very important, Nana. What is the meaning of troubleshoot? Let's say, for example, online and everyone, troubleshooting meaning I ask this question in every batch. You have bike, no? Bike. You have bike, right? So if the bike is not starting, what is the first thing that you check? What are things that you check? Petrol. Petrol. Yes or no? Guys, petrol you check. Next, what you check? Normal question only. Yeah, the bike is not starting. Battery. Okay, battery. Pressure. Acha. Plug. You are telling all these things. That's super, very good. But first thing you need to check the key is on offer, right? Yes or no? We have done these mistakes many times. Yes or no? So whenever you're kicking the bike, first, you switch on the key, switch off the key, and then you start kicking, starting. How it will start? Guys, you should know in the real time also, whenever you get any issue, you should know what to check first and then how to resolve it. Let's say, for example, in your house, power is off all of a sudden. What do you do? Current is off. What will you do? Ma? First, what we do? We go to the neighbor's house and ask, do you have the current or not? Okay, of course, we'll ask the neighbors. Okay. If the neighbor says, guys, right? Yeah. If the neighbor says we have the current, then tension start. Yes or no? Okay, then what we do? We go and check each and every room. We switch on, switch off the lights, fans, and then we go and we try to check the main stuff and everything. What the steps to resolve the issue is called what? Troubleshooting. The steps to resolve the issue, we call it as what, Nana? Troubleshooting. So in real time, if you get any issue, how to troubleshoot it? That is what here troubleshooting called. So I'll be helping you to do the troubleshooting. So you'll be learning how to do the troubleshooting to fix the issues in real time. Next, we will do the security and architecting. Resume guidance will be there. Okay. So these are the expectations that I have. So these expectations are matching with yours? Yes or no? Say louder. Yes. Online, what do you say, Nana, everyone? Anything is missing? Everyone respond, please. Let's have fun. Okay. Excellent. Do you see that everyone anonymously saying yes, sir? Clear, Nana, everyone? So these are the expectations that I have, and I'll be focusing on these kind of expectations. And so with these expectations, the whole goal is making you from zero to hero. Okay, zero to hero. And should I tell you one small thing that you like? Nice, Anup, sure. Guys, those who know me already, online, guys, those who know me already, people call me doctor. Some people, yes or no? Online, those who know me already, say yes or. See, some people respond, guys. Those who know me, please back me up. So they call me as what? Doctor. Why? I'm not having doctorate. Why people call me doctor is I have a specialty. Whatever that I teach. One said what? Sir, your voice is very cute. Thank you. I don't know whether. Sir, I'm meeting you first time, but actually I'm feeling you are my familiar teacher. Thank you, Sri Krishna. And okay, don't make me. What? Silu. Thank you. Okay. Unfortunately, I'm blushing here. Okay, when you say that. Okay, fine. So the thing is here, Nana, I have this technique. I will be injecting all the topics in your brain without pain. Underline this word. So whatever the topics that I'll be teaching will be directly injected in your brains. Good thing is, generally, whenever you learn anything from anyone, next day you need to do a lot of revision or not. Mark my words. You no need to do any revision from my class. Mark my words. Underline this. And guys, you will be traveling with me for next few days, right? As a demo classes. So I will be asking the same question after 3, 4, 5 days. Then you will be saying, sir, yes, sir, you are on your words. I'm telling you, whatever that I teach, I'll be injecting in your brains, and you no need to do any revision. Mark my words. That is the speciality that you will get to know slowly. You might think, sir, you are talking too much, sir. How, sir? No problem. So it's the first time that you are with me, right? So I need to tell about my specialty. Then you will be just watch and wait and watch. Let's continue for a few days. Then you will automatically understand. Okay, Nana. So let's move on to the next one. Who should go with for this DevOps with multi-cloud? Who can? Yes, we will get the Nikhil. We will get the notes also, Nana. See here. Nana, who can learn this DevOps with multi-cloud? So everyone belongs to IT can go for DevOps with this cloud. Cloud meaning here multi-cloud. But thing is here, see here, freshers. We have lot of opportunities. And non-IT people, guys, non-IT people, tell me, I'm telling you this here. First of all, see, freshers, non-IT people who is having the gap, experienced people can attend this training and get the jobs. Guys, when I say freshers, those who have recently passed out 2022, 23, 24, 25, everyone can join this course. And good thing is, no knowledge is required, no prerequisites is required. So if you come as a empty mind, if you come with the empty mind, I will be there to inject everything in your brains. No prerequisites is required. So do I need to learn? But good thing is, do we need any coding here? Do you like coding? Yes or no? Do you like coding? Yes or no? Put it, say. Yes or no? Say. No. Okay, let me see here from online people. Do you like coding? Yes or no? Okay, see, Nana. So in this course, there will not be much coding at all. So we'll not be doing any kind of coding. Little bit of thing will be there that we can easily learn. But definitely it will not like as a Java, Bava, Python, all these things. No, definitely no. So this course doesn't require any kind of prerequisites. This course doesn't require any kind of coding. Little will be there, but it is not like Java, for loop, if loop, while loops. No, 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 no. It is just like human readable things, right? Key value will be there. That's it. So nothing coding is required here in our course. Okay. No SQL is required. Nothing, right? We'll learn about all these things. Okay. Guys, okay. I think there are so many experienced people are also there in online. Experienced people, please back me up. Tell me, how is the market on cloud? We have a very good market, yes or no? How is the cloud market? Tausif, very good. Experienced people, please back me up, Nana, so that the freshers and rest of the people need to understand this. This is having super high demand, I'm telling you. Guys, industry is waiting for the right candidates. But unfortunately, there are very less people, those who teach the actual real topics technically as a real-time things. So I'll be here for helping you to learn all these things in depth, and then you can easily clear the interviews. Reyaz sir students will easily clear the interviews. That is the thing that we have. My previous students, everyone are all, I will not say out of 100 to 100 people. So everyone, most of the 80% are already placed. Okay. And also, guys, this course will help you to do step-by-step practical approach. So without practicals, is it possible to have anything? No, right? So cloud, DevOps, everything should have what? Practicals. So good thing is I'll be teaching you theory also, and I'll be teaching you what, Nana, here? Practicals also. This course is step-by-step hands-on practicals. And as I said, no prerequisites required. So there is nothing to have any knowledge before you joining this course. Is this clear, everyone? Online? We'll talk, Fatima. We'll talk, Nana. Duration of the course, we'll talk. Okay, let me tell you about duration of this course. So duration of this course is approximately 125 or 30 days, working days. I'll tell you about all these things. But do you all understand who should go for DevOps with multi-cloud? Anyone who are freshers, especially freshers. If you, I'm telling you, yes, Rohit, thank you, Nana. Guys, multi-cloud is like ultra premium, as he said. Those who have this knowledge on this multi-cloud. So in this multi-cloud, especially which cloud is number one? Louder, everyone. Online, say it louder. Which cloud is number one? AWS. There is no doubt on it. AWS is number one cloud provider. We'll be focusing a lot on the AWS first. And good thing is, first AWS, next is Azure, next is GCP. Remember, once we learn AWS concepts are similar, cloud concepts are similar for AWS also, Azure, and then GCP. Concepts are same, only the names are different. And the Apple is there. There are different varieties of apples or not. But Apple is Apple only. It is Apple, but you have different flavors, right? Similarly, here also, I'm telling you, if you learn AWS, Azure will be super easy. For that reason, we'll focus more on AWS and later we will learn easily about Azure and GCP. And which is the most commonly used cloud provider in interviews and asking the interview questions is AWS. Okay, we'll learn. We'll talk about more. Fantastic. Okay, see then here. Omkar, we'll see. Job roles you can apply after this course. You can apply as a AWS. Shiva, guys, online people, I'll be taking all your questions at the end of the class. So let's enjoy the class first. Okay. Now, after this course, not after this course, after 2 months, after 2 months, you can apply as a AWS engineer because we'll talk about it. So I'll let me show you that. Okay, see here. Remind me, I'll go back to this. Okay. Now the course has been divided into 4 parts. How many parts? This course has been divided into 4 parts. So first part is we will be learning complete what? AWS. AWS, the caption is the manual. In AWS, we will know how to set up the entire infrastructure. We will learn a lot of services. We'll do a lot of things. That is what here. First part is AWS. Part 2 is what? DevOps. Say it. Part 2 is what, Nana? DevOps. DevOps is completely the automation. First part is AWS. Second part is DevOps. And third part is AWS with DevOps, the conclusion. And part 4 is what? Azure and GCP. The epic. So the course has been divided into 4 parts. What are those again? Part 1, AWS. Part 2, DevOps. Part 3, AWS with DevOps. And part 4, Azure and GCP. Guys, part 1, first 50 days, we'll go with completely on what? AWS. First 50 days. Next 50 days, we go with what? DevOps. And next 30 days, almost, we'll cover AWS with DevOps, Azure and GCP. This is the strategy. Got it, Nana? Online, is this clear on the course strategy? Chidi? Guys, online, you guys are too good. You're responding very well. Very nice. Offline, clear, Nana, for you? Super. So, as I said, Chidi, see here, China, see here. Or as I said, part 1 AWS, first 50 days, that means 2 months or not? And that too, when I say 50 days, 50 working days, not including Sundays. 50 working days, I'm saying. So whenever when we complete AWS, you can apply as a AWS engineer. You can apply as a AWS cloud architect. Yes, Tausif, tools we'll see. Kumar, we'll talk about tools. Let's talk here first. So job roles that you can apply is, you can apply after this course as AWS engineer, Azure engineer, GCP engineer, Azure cloud architect, right? Support, DevOps engineer, AWS DevOps engineer, SRE role, cloud engineer, platform engineer. Guys, I have designed this course so that you can apply any of the cloud role. You can apply any of the cloud role. Any role that you have related to AWS engineer, cloud engineer, GCP, Azure engineer, DevOps engineer, platform engineer, any operations, you can easily apply, because I am covering the whole services so that you can apply for any kind of role. Fantastic, no? Say thank you. Otherwise, otherwise, many people will cover only what little bit of AWS. And should I tell you one thing, guys? Let me tell you one thing. You'll feel wow. See, generally, online experienced people, please back me up, Nana. Generally, anywhere in any training, how many AWS services will cover? Those who know, tell me. How many AWS services generally they'll cover? Tell me, online experienced people, please back me up. Number of services. 10, 15 maximum. How many? Some people says 5, 6. Some people says 10, 15, 10 to 15, 5 to 6. Guys, listen carefully. In the AWS, I will be covering 40 plus services. How many? 40 plus services. Mark my words. And I'll inject these 40 plus services in your brains. Any question, anywhere, if I ask you, should be able to answer any of the 40 services. Easily you can answer it. My challenge. Are you ready to accept? Ready? Don't worry, I'll take care of everything. You just need to concentrate my class. That's it. And that too, no revision required. That too, no revision required. I know people are excited, but thing is, start journey with me. You will get to know automatically. So I'm telling you, within next few days, 40 plus services you'll remember. And anywhere in the world, no one will cover. You tell me, can anyone cover 40 plus services? Anyone? Any training you see? And I'm promising you, and I'll be on my promise. Okay? Fantastic. Thank you, guys. Okay. Rohit, thank you, Rohit, for that heart symbol. But yeah, let's move on. So, AWS learning roadmap. First 50 days is what, Anna, here? AWS. So, roadmap here is how we learn AWS is, see, literally, I will start everything from scratch, Nana. Literally, basics I'll start. What is client? What is server? What is client server architecture? Slowly, I'll teach about what your basics, networking basics. And that too, we'll talk about, guys, everyone talk directly about what is cloud. No, I don't talk about what is cloud. I'll tell you first what is before cloud. What is the reason of going to cloud? What is the purpose of it? Why we are learning it? Each and everything with reason, we will be learning it. And it's very, and I'll give you introduction to AWS fundamentals, overview, deep dive on each services, lot of hands-on integrating AWS services, interview, projects, a lot of things that we'll be doing on AWS point of view. And good thing is here, we'll have a dedicated mentor support for you on the labs. We'll be doing a lot of hands-on, no? and I'll be doing hands-on in front of you, practicals, and I'll be giving you tasks to repeat it. So when you're repeating this task, if you get any kind of issues, so we have online dedicated mentors are available to help you to resolve the issues. Offline people, I'm there for you, and in the lab is also there. So they will help you to resolve the issues, just in case if you got stuck in any kind of lab. And good thing is, if you enroll this course, Linux course is complimentary. Which one is complimentary? Linux course is completely, that will be covered by another trainer, Mr. Imran sir, right? And he will be covering the, it will be a 40 to 45 days course, 30, I don't remember how much. So he will be covering the complete Linux administration. So that is free of the cost if you enroll this DevOps with multi-cloud. Okay. And whatever is required, the Linux things, I'll also be taking care of it. Okay. Fantastic. Okay. Online experienced people. Nana, it is very hard for you to know all these things because you are here to learn all these things. But what are the tools that we cover in the DevOps? And everyone, I want you to read with me. Open your mouths and read with me. Okay, see. First we'll cover what, Nana? Linux. Next, say Git, GitHub, Maven, SonarQube, OWASP. Say that. Jenkins, Tomcat, Ansible. Read. Open your mouth and say Nexus, Docker, Treevee, Kubernetes, Argo CD, Prometheus Grafana, Terraform, Helm, Trello, and all this. And then we have a GitHub Actions that is not putting here. So all these things will be covered in as a DevOps tools. AWS, I told you how many services I'll cover. 40 plus services, all core services will be there. But here in the DevOps, we'll be covering all these tools. Now tell me, experienced people, did I cover all the tools here? Experience, back me up. Did I cover all these tools? All the tools that in real time? Whatever is there in the real time? Nagios is very old one, Nana Vishal. No one is using Nagios now. We are going for Prometheus Grafana for monitoring. So it is more than sufficient or not? And should I tell you one thing? With this course, you can have up to 4 to 5 years of experience, real-time knowledge. How much? 4 to 5 years of real-time knowledge I'll be giving you from this course. Freshers, is it jujube or not? For freshers, if you go and answer in interviews, they will just touch your feet and take it. Okay. So I'll be covering how many years of experience knowledge? 4 to 5 years of experience knowledge. Okay. And some people ask, sir, what EKS? Okay, so who is that? Someone said EKS and all. Yes, that will, Manish, AWS Kubernetes, that is also will be there. Right? And DevOps with AWS, part 3 is there, no? So part 3 AWS with DevOps will be there. Next, Azure and GCP, whatever that we have the core services in AWS, equivalent to that we will be learning in Azure and we'll be learning in what here? GCP. I just copied from internet, don't worry. Right? The focus more will be on which cloud provider? AWS. Because on AWS, you have lots of job opportunities. We'll focus more on what? AWS. Sufyan, we will learn all these things. Ji. Okay. So AI, of course. So see, whenever we say good thing about you reminded me AI. So guys, nowadays everyone are little bit afraid about AI or not? Yes or no? Tell me. Everyone are afraid about AI or not? So due to this AI, so many people lost the jobs, especially developers. Now many people nowadays are asking me, sir, do our AI will impact DevOps with AWS and this multi-cloud? Answer is 100% no. So with AI, there will not be any impact. So guys, you can, okay, just to motivate you, we'll ask AI only. Huh? We'll ask AI only, chat GPT, that do you have any impact on DevOps with DevOps and AWS? Should we try? I didn't try it. Let's try. Okay. अरे इज्जत नक को निकालो. Huh? Okay, so let's do this. Less impact jobs with what? AI. Randomly, I'm putting it. Let's see. Whoa. What he is talking about all this thing bullshit. Social service and all. This does DevOps AWS impact impact jobs with AI? This is not giving properly. But what I meant to say here is, yeah. So what I meant to say here is, guys, AI will not impact our DevOps and AWS at all. It can be possible that we need to use AI tools to integrate in our AWS and DevOps. Right? We can integrate AI tools to, to speed up or, to give the lot of recommendations that we will be doing it. But remember, AI will not impact anything. And by the way, do you see this here? Lot of things I showed you. And obviously, you will get shocked by seeing all these things or not. That's why I put it here. What? Don't fear. I am here. Ayuna, don't worry. Okay. So as I said, everything will start from scratch. Everything will start from what, Nana, here? Scratch. See here. So what are the major cloud providers that we have? Say with me. AWS, Azure, GCP. Those are all the logos. What are those? Say with me again. AWS, Azure, and then GCP. Our more focus is on AWS because which is the most number one cloud provider? Why? We will see. So see here, cloud leader. Who is the cloud leader here? AWS. Nana, in this is recently Q2, quarter 2, 2025. Recently, do you see this? How much percentage was captured in the market by who? AWS. How much? 30%. 30% in the entire world, meaning it's too much. Every company that you take, there are AWS projects. So, and followed by who here? Azure, and followed by who here? GCP. So now tell me, will you concentrate number one cloud provider or number two cloud provider? Number one. So if you want to be number one, you need to concentrate number one cloud provider. Yes or no? And whatever that we have in AWS, the same concept will be available in Azure and GCP. Got it? So if you learn very nicely about AWS, and of course, see, you should be master in one cloud. In real time also, people don't expect to be master on all the clouds. This is real time. Do you all agree? My experience, people? No, experience. Do you agree? We need to be master in one cloud or not? Thank you, Murthy and all experience. We will check Tausif and all. Do you see that? You should be master in one cloud. And which cloud that we take, we need to be master in that. So which cloud we take to be master? AWS, because that is number one in the market or not. So that's why we'll focus more on AWS and followed by Azure and GCP. Super. Now, why I should really congratulate you, everyone over here, that you took already one step to success. I don't know who, what do you call, who suggested you to take this DevOps with AWS and multi-cloud. So I should congratulate you and appreciate that you took the first step for success, because this technology is number one in the market and you have lots of job opportunities. Lots of job opportunities. Now tell me honestly, experienced people, do you have lots of job opportunities with cloud, with data science? You tell me honestly. Those who are working, I'm telling you, I'm asking you. Those who are in real time. See that? Everyone. So even data science people need cloud. And data science need lot of programming and lot of mathematics, stats and everything. But here, so cloud is for everyone. Either if you are a developer also, if whoever it is, everyone needs what? Cloud. And cloud and DevOps is the booming technology now in the market for the next decade. So that is the reason why every fresher, every experienced guy are now moving to this DevOps and cloud. Got it, Nana? Super. So why AWS? Because everyone understand that AWS is the fastest growing cloud, and AWS career pay top money. And also, should I tell you one more important thing, guys? Guys, see here, one more important thing. So in your friends, so many, you have your friends that got laid off, right? Nowadays. So many friends got laid off, no? Online, yes or no, no? See, I'm asking one question. Did anyone got laid off who is working on DevOps and cloud? Tell me. Tell me yes or no, online experienced people, though whoever knows. Did anyone got laid off who is working on DevOps and cloud? Everyone respond, guys. I need response online. Do you see that? Do you see that? No one, even I didn't heard that whoever is working on DevOps and AWS, no one got laid off. How many developers got laid off? Many. How many other domains got laid off? Many. But no one has dared to touch DevOps with AWS, guys. You. So that's the reason why I'm saying I congratulate that you took a right decision to learn this course. Congratulations. Okay, Nana. And see here, everyone, guys, I'm asking one regular normal question. Which is your favorite restaurant for food? Normal. Favorite restaurant? Hyderabad. Who was here? Huh? Krishna Bannaba. Acha. Pista House, Santosh Dhaba, right? Okay, see, Mehfil. Assume like Pista House, for example. Pista House is the number one restaurant in Hyderabad for biryani, for example. As he is number one restaurant, will he give it for free? Will give it for free? No, right? Guys, who is number one cloud provider? AWS. AWS is giving you 6 months free. How many months free? Azure 1 month. AWS is giving 1 year free only. 1 year free also. But now they have reduced to what year? 6 months. Hmm. After this, we'll talk. You understand, Nana? So that's the reason why I'm saying here, AWS is giving a 6 months free account. So we'll be using that and we'll doing lot of practice and projects inside it. Okay, fantastic. And also certifications. Certifications are very important, but this is mandatory, yes or no? Certifications are highly recommended, Nana. Let's say, for example, you are there. You completed. Who is fresher here? You. What is your name? Satyajit. Satyajit, you complete your BTech, right? What is the proof? What is the proof? So when I say, did you say BTech completed? I'm asking what is the proof? Then what you need to show? Certificate or not? So now let's you go to the interview and you say that, sir, I know AWS. I'm good in AWS. Then he'll ask, what is the proof? Then you need to show the certificate. So for that, so AWS is having the certifications. AWS is having what none here? Certifications. So what are those certifications? We will talk about that soon. Guys, so why we should learn AWS? Why it is very important? Do you see? Can you read the few names here? Say with me. Netflix, LinkedIn, ISRO, NASA, Coca-Cola, BMW, McDonald's, Apple, all these big companies are using what? AWS in the backend. All these big companies are using AWS. Why they are using AWS? These are all number one companies or not? And they are using number one cloud in the backend, AWS. Guys, here, if you know AWS, your jobs are secure, fantastic pay, and I'm telling you, it is not as complicated as you think until you find a right trainer. If you have a right trainer, this AWS, DevOps, Azure, all these things are very easy. But you need to have a right trainer. I hope I will be your right trainer. Yes or no? Thank you. Right. So no prior experience is required for this course. As I said, no pre. If anyone says that, no, you need to learn that, this and this, no, and say that, no, nothing. If you are zero, I'll be very happy, because if you have a zero knowledge, I can inject everything in your brains. Okay, Nana? So cloud is present in the past also, present also, and the future is cloud. So, and of course, what is the trend now here? DevOps with AWS is the trend now. Everywhere you have a job opportunities. Okay, so let us see about the certifications quickly. I'm talking about AWS certifications. Listen carefully. Say with me, everyone. Guys, now see here. So in AWS, we have different kind of levels. Say with me. Number one is foundational. Say ma. Say that. Foundational. Say that. Foundational. Next one is what? Associate. Next one is what? Professional. We have how many levels are there? 3 levels. So which level we need to concentrate on? So if you concentrate on foundational, there we have one small certification called Cloud Practitioner. Online, can you hear me, Nana? Online, can you hear me? Okay. So we have 3 levels. Number one, foundational. Next is associate, and next is professional. So in foundational, we have a certification called Cloud Practitioner. This is Jujubi. That meaning it is nothing. It is what here? Nothing. Guys, if you complete Cloud Practitioner, and if you go to interview and say that, hey, I'm Cloud Practitioner, then he will say, go and play that side. So they don't, so because it's very foundational. So we need to concentrate on what is the next level we have? Associate. In associate, we have 3 types of certifications. Number one is solution architect. Say that. Number 2 is SysOps. SysOps administrator. Say that. Next one is developer. Say that. Now you tell me, architect, operations, developer. We have 3 roles. We have how many roles? 3 roles. You tell me, online experience people, everyone, which one is the most commonly asked certification? Architect, operations, developer? Online. Online, everyone. Do you see this anonymously? Everyone are saying which one? Solution architect. Say that. Solution architect. So because solution architect is the certification that every company is asking for. Good thing is we will be focusing on which certification? Solution Architect certificate. After completing this AWS course in this first 2 months, you will be ready to clear that Solution Architect exam, which is conducted by Amazon. And this certification is valid for 3 years. So you can, with the help of this, you can easily get the jobs. Because in every job, they are asking for certification nowadays. So our course will help you to clear the Solution Architect certification. Clear, Nana? Online? Super. So the future is cloud. And that to what cloud? AWS cloud. So with this, now all your general questions got clear in your mind or not? Everyone. So from tomorrow onwards, are you ready for the technical concepts with AWS and DevOps? Are you ready for tomorrow's? It's time for action or not? So from tomorrow onwards, we are jumping into the technical topics. Ready? Louder. Online, are you ready? Fantastic. So from tomorrow onwards, it's time for action and we'll start learning the topics. From tomorrow onwards, what? Right? By whom? Mr. Reyaz. So don't miss it. Online, don't leave the class until I say Nana. Okay. So I will like to take the questions now. So course content, we will share it tomorrow. Don't worry. Online, don't leave the class, Nana. Don't leave the class because these questions will help you. Okay. So do we get certification after course? Guys, Abdul, this AWS certification is conducted by Amazon separately. This is not related to Naresh IT. Remember that. Okay, this course will help you to learn complete AWS and you will be learning DevOps with AWS and you will be learning Azure and GCP also. Okay. Siddesh, what is the difference in AWS, DevOps course and multi-cloud and DevOps? So this is the combo pack. Multi-cloud, if you go with this course, everything is covered. But if you go only for AWS, only AWS will be covered. If you go for DevOps, only DevOps will be covered. If you go with DevOps with AWS, only AWS and DevOps will be covered. But this one, it will cover everything. So, Nandanal, we will go with associate, Nana. Professional is very hard. But we can if required. So guys, the course duration is how many days I said? 130 days, working days, plus or minus. Don't mark it, okay? From today to next 130 days. Approximately 5 months. How many months? 5 months plus only. Okay. Yes, Avinash, you can, Nana. Avinash, you can. Okay. So the classes will be from Monday to Friday and Saturdays also. Saturday on and off sometimes based on how much you are loaded. But Monday to Friday, continuous. Saturday also will be there. I'm currently working as QA engineer. Yes, Swabiman. So you can. So that is only 2.2 only, right? So we can, after this course, how much experience that you get, Nana? How many years of experience that you get after this course? 4 years of experience that you will get it. So you can easily move that. Okay. Nirosha, can you please put your question again? It went up. Timings will be the same from 6 to 7:30. 6 to 7:30. Nirosha, of course, yes, Nana. Guys, see here. Those who are having the gap. So just to tell you, motivate you. there are women, I mean homemakers. So we have our sisters, those who are in the homemaking, like busy with for a few many years, and after they want to come back to the IT industry, or non-IT people want to come to IT. Can you tell me honestly, if these homemakers, non-IT people, gap people, can you go and learn Java directly? Tell me yes or no, directly, honestly. No, because they don't have coding skills. Will you go and go learn Python, full stack and all? No, that's completely Python. Will you go for the data science, learning, machine learning, deep learning, predictive analysis, R programming, Python, Hadoop, Azure, blockchains, AI and all? No, because which is the best and non-coding thing, easily understandable, which is number one in the market is AWS and DevOps. So with this, I can proudly say that there are so many sisters or non-IT people, gap people, they're already working now with very good packages. Okay. The only thing is, don't worry about all this thing. First start learning. If you first start learning, everything will come in the back. If you are good in technology, if you have a good knowledge, they don't look the gap, and they don't look the gap, first of all. Yogeshwar, that is not there, Nana. Shiva, we'll be teaching that separately. Okay. Yes, Sufyan, that is possible. Sufyan. Course fees and everything, you will get to know tomorrow. Don't worry. This is only first day, no? Chakri, that is really good. Chakri, if you have Java experience, that's really good. Yes, Priyanka. Priyanka, you can join, Nana. No problem. Can full stack students join this course? Guys, those who are full stack people here, full stack Java, full stack Python from Naresh IT. So this is not a free course for you. Okay. You can ignore. Sai Naveen, 1.5 hour per day is enough. Yes. Abhiram, guys, from today to end of the course, the timings will be from 6 to 7:30 till end of the course. Timings will not change. Sufyan, you can learn. You can learn. Okay. Oracle DBA. Srinivas, you can. Srinivas, you can. Okay. Okay. So did I answer all your questions, Nana? I'm working as Windows Service. Can I upgrade? 100%. Pusala Pavan Kumar, 1000% the next, because I also started my career as a support engineer. Starting days. I was working as Windows Server, Linux admins. So for us, the next thing is we need to upgrade to the cloud. Pavan, we don't have any chance. You have to learn this. Yes, Saubhagya, Ranjan. Yes, technical support, 100%. We need to move it to the cloud only. Santu, yes, for you also. How many sessions for Azure and GCP? As I said, so it will be both 2 weeks, because as we learn AWS, the same concept will be there. We no need to re-explain everything. We can directly go and do the practicals there. Recordings will also be there. Venkataswamy, yes, you can, but the thing is, you need to manage the experience. No, Hanisha, that is not free for you. Okay. I will be taking all your questions tomorrow also. Don't worry. So this is my mail ID. So trainerreyaz@gmail.com. Very good, Abhiram. Don't worry. We'll take care. Okay. Okay. So that is my email ID. So if you have any questions that you cannot talk here, you can mail me. I'll reply on your email. Okay. So that is all. Can you give the final CC online? CC and then put smile. Smile is important. CC smile. Put smiley symbols. I like it because I know that you are happy with this class by putting the smile symbols. CC meaning crystal clear. Very nice. So that is all for today. Let's connect tomorrow with the next powerful topic. Until then, take care. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Don't miss the class. Same time, same link. Tomorrow we'll be talking about DevOps introduction. Do not miss it. Okay. Until then, take care, guys. Bye-bye.